Hello children, in this video we are going to see chapter 7 atoms and molecules. We have learned in our lower classes about matter. What is matter? Matter is around us everywhere. Matter is the substance which has mass and occupies space. Matter is made up of atoms. Daily, what are the things we see, whether it is living or non-living, are considered as matter. What is atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element. The word atom means indivisible. It has positively charged dense portion at the center, revolving by some electron in circular path. There are three subatomic particles present in an atom. There are proton, electron and neutron. Here, red ball is proton, which carries positive charge. White ball is neutron, chargeless particle. Proton and neutron tightly packed by some nuclear force and occupies center of the atom called nucleus. But electron is always revolving around the nucleus in some circular path. Curiously, the idea of atom was first proposed by the Greek philosophers in the 5th century, but their theory was more philosophical than scientific. The first scientific theory of the atom was proposed by John Dalton. Few of the postulates of Dalton's theory about an atom were found incorrect by the later on studies made by J.J. Thomson, Rutherford, Niels Bohr and Schrödinger. That limitation of the Dalton theory were removed and a new theory known as a modern atomic theory was put forward. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atom are indivisible particle. But after the discovery of electron by J.J. Thomson, he stated that atom is a divisible one. So atom is no longer indivisible. After the discovery of subatomic particles such as proton, neutrons, electrons, the indivisibility of an atom was proved wrong. However, an atom is the smallest particle that takes part in chemical reaction. The next, the atoms of same element are similar in all properties, but differ only in their atomic masses. This phenomenon is called isotope. For example, chlorine has two isotopic characters. One has mass number 35 and another has mass number 37. The next postulates the atoms of different elements are different in all properties except atomic mass are called isobars. For example, argon and calcium both are atoms of different element but having same atomic mass of 40. If different atoms having same atomic mass are called isobars. The next, artificial transmutation. Artificial transmutation means the process of nucleus of one atom is artificially changed into nucleus of another atom, resulting in the formation of new atom. This process is called artificial transmutation, mostly possible in artificial nuclear reaction. This is an example for artificial transmutation. In left hand side, we take a nitrogen atom as reactant. It bombarded with alpha particle and converted into oxygen atom. The nitrogen atom is wholly converted into oxygen atom, the nucleus of one atom is converted into nucleus of another atom. The ratio of atoms of different element combined to form molecule may not always be simple. For example, sugar molecule. The ratio of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is 12:22:11, which is not a simple whole number ratio. Einstein equation E equal to mc square. The energy E is directly proportional to mass m. So the mass can be easily converted into energy. This is mass energy equivalence relationship explained by Einstein. So far we learned John Dalton modern atomic theory. What is atomic number? We know that the subatomic particle, proton, electron, neutron are present in an atom. The number of proton always equal to the number of electron. This number is called atomic number. Usually, atomic number is denoted by the letter Z and it should be written as a subscript. What is mass number? The proton and neutron are present at the center of an atom as nucleus. These protons and neutrons have considerable mass. Thus, the mass of an atom is mainly contributed by its proton and neutron. Hence, the sum of the number of protons and neutrons is called its mass number. How to write the symbol for element with atomic number and mass number? Here, X is atomic symbol. In superscript A denotes mass number. The sum of protons and neutrons in an atom is called mass number. Mass number, otherwise called atomic mass. In subscript Z, it denotes atomic number. Atomic number is the number of proton present in an atom. The number of proton always equal to number of electron. Then only we can say that atom is neutral. So the number of proton or number of electron is atomic number for an atom. We can measure the mass of macroscopic particle in terms of gram or kilogram. Individual atoms are very small and it is difficult to measure their masses. The mass of an atom is measured in atomic mass unit, abbreviated as AMU. As an atom is very small, its absolute mass cannot be determined directly. So, we used to measure the atomic mass of an atom relative to an atom of another element. We measured the masses of equal number of atoms of two or more elements at the time to determine their relative masses. For that, we established one atom as the standard value. By using this value, we measured the relative mass of other element. By this way, the mass obtained is called relative atomic mass. In the beginning, the mass of hydrogen atom was chosen as a standard and the masses of other atoms were compared with it. Because of the existence of isotopic character of hydrogen 1H1, 1H2, it was replaced by oxygen atom as the standard value. Now, the stable isotope of carbon with atomic mass 12 is used as the standard for measuring the relative atomic mass of an element. What is relative atomic mass? It is the ratio of the average mass of atom to 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon-12 isotope. What is gram atomic weight or gram atomic mass? Both are same. The mass of 1 mole of an element equal in grams to the atomic weight. Simply, if relative atomic mass is expressed in gram is called gram atomic mass. See here, carbon atom. 6 is atomic number, 12.01 is atomic mass. If this atomic mass is expressed in gram, that is 12 gram is called gram atomic mass of carbon. Let's recall. See this boron atom symbol representation. This type only symbols are represented in periodic table. There are two numbers, one in top, one in bottom. In top 5 is atomic number. In bottom 10.81 is mass number. The mass number is always double the atomic number. Let's consider another one, chlorine atom. Yes, what is atomic number here? Here 17 is atomic number. Its double value 35 is mass number for chlorine atom. If this mass number 35 is expressed in gram, 35 gram, then it is called as gram atomic mass. One more example. Ca, calcium. Here 20 is the atomic number. That means in calcium the number of proton is 20. Its double value 40 is its atomic mass. 40 gram is the gram atomic mass of calcium. This way we have to represent the symbol. What is a molecule? A molecule is defined as two or more atoms of the same element or different element that are bound together. There are two types of molecule, homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule. If the molecule is made up of similar kind of atoms, then it is called homoatomic molecule. If the molecule is made up of different kind of atom, then it is called as heteroatomic molecule. Here, ozone. O3 is the formula for ozone. This molecule is made up of similar kind of atom. All three atoms are oxygen atom only. This is best example for homoatomic molecule. Water molecule. The formula for water molecule is H2O. This molecule is made up of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. All atoms are not same. Again, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. It is made up of different kind of atom. So, it is called heteroatomic molecule. Next, atomicity. What is atomicity? Atomicity is nothing but the number of atoms present in molecule. For example, hydrogen molecule H2. Here there are 2 atoms of hydrogen. So its atomicity is 2. Therefore, the number of atoms present in a molecule is called atomicity. Let's consider ammonia molecule. See this. The formula for ammonia molecule is NH3. It is made up of 1 nitrogen atom, 3 hydrogen atom. There are 4 atoms present in ammonia molecule. So, its atomicity is 4. Another example, water molecule H2O. Here, the molecule is made up of 1 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. There are 3 atoms present in water molecule. So, the atomicity of water molecule is 3. Difference between an atom and a molecule. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound. Atom does not exist in free state except noble gas. The noble gases are helium, neon, krypton, argon, xenon, radon. But molecule exist in free state. For example, water and ammonia. Except noble gas, other atoms are highly reactive. Molecules are less reactive. Atoms do not have a chemical bond, but atoms in a molecule are held by the chemical bond. Atoms in the molecule are tightly bound by chemical force of attraction. These are the difference between molecule and atom.